Hi, the purpose of this tutorial is to guide you on how to properly complete the client location and zip code information portion of the client's assessment in ServicePoint. There are 4 variables on this section, first one being client location. There are 4 continuum of care in the state of South Carolina. Each continuum of care has an assigned client location. The client location assigned to the Upstate Continuum of Care is SC501. Please make sure that when completing a full assessment on your clients, that you select SC501 as the client location. The next variable is called caller zip. Caller zip means zip code of the current location. If you are completing an assessment on a client who is staying at a shelter, the client's zip code becomes the zip code of that shelter. However, if the client is living in a place not meant for human habitation, then you use the zip code to that particular current location. Let's say the client provides you a zip code of 29601. You would type it in the text box. From the drop-down, you will select the correct city and zip code, and then you will click on Apply Zip Code Information. By doing so, you are confirming that the information provided is correct. The beauty of this field is that if the client does not know their zip code, you can type in the city. Once you type in the city, a new drop-down will populate, and you can then go ahead and select from the drop-down the appropriate zip code. You then will go ahead and apply the zip code information, and you will confirm if the information is correct. The next variable is zip code of last permanent address. Unfortunately, we do not have the ability to use the caller zip code field more than once. So here you have a text box and you are allowed to type in the information provided by the client. If the client doesn't know the zip code of last permanent address, we encourage you to Google that city or county and then type in the zip code of last permanent address. The last variable reads, if out of state, record the state that came from. What this means, if the client states that their zip code of last permanent address was out of state, then you will here type in this text box the name of that state. By doing so, you do not need to complete the zip code, just type in the name of the state. This concludes today's tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this tutorial, feel free to contact me, Cecilia Rodriguez, at 864-905-2390, or you can email me at crodriguez@uhcsc.org. Thank you so much for your time.